video, I'm going to be converting and designing this disposable plate into a purse. I want you to pay attention, watch the video, and see all the steps I'm following to achieve this look. Also, I'll drop more info for you on my description box. Keep watching. What a purse looks like. This is the finishing. I haven't covered the base is empty, but if you want to, you can still cover it to make it even. So I just let mine that way. The tassel is dangling from under. This also, let's see what the inside was like already. This is how I created a purse using my disposable plate. You can use any trimming of your choice. You can use any tassel of your choice. You must not use the tassel either. You can just make it just the purse alone, and you don't really have to use chain. But yeah, chain is easy for it to move around with, so chain is advisable for you to get to use. So this is the finishing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the video if you like it. Also share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.